David, Rush Truck Center, Oklahoma City, maintenance in a minute. Today's topic's going to be your alignment, something that we don't often think about unless we're having problems. The truck's shimmying, the truck's shaking, it's maybe drifting on lanes. We got something going on under there. Get it into the professionals, people who do this stuff every day. Let us get under there, get our eyes on your front end, see what's going on. You've got all kinds of kingpins, ball joints. You've got stuff under there that if it's loose, we can take care of it. We can get your truck aligned. Saying that, this is something that you're out there every day. This is how you make your livelihood. We want to make it as safe as possible for you and all of the other people out there on the roads. Not to mention the fact, tire wear. It's hard. Tire wear is the worst thing you're going to have. Once it starts that pattern on the tire, it's not coming back. You can rotate your tires to the rear, pull some up to the front if you've got highway tires and not drivers, and try to knock that tire wear out. But if you don't, it's always going to be there. So remember, stay up on your alignments. It's very important for your vehicle and you. David, Rush Truck Center, maintenance in a minute.